how to turn off Wizz app notifications. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can turn off notifications for the Wizz app, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you basically use the Wizz application over here in this case, right, and then you would like to turn off the notifications that you receive from the Wizz app, what do you do if you want to turn off notifications for the Wizz applications over here? For this, all you have to do is go ahead and launch settings, then go to the option known as notifications here. Under notifications, you want to simply look for the Wizz application, which will most likely be at the bottom, and then just make sure to tap on it. Once you tap on it, at the top you'll find alarm notifications. Turn off the toggle next to Wizz application notifications, and notifications will be disabled. One more thing that I suggest you do is you just come a bit upwards here until you see Siri, and then until you see Siri suggestions. Tap on it again over here, and then simply look for the Wizz application again, and then just turn off the toggle next to Wizz from here as well, and you have turned off Wizz app notifications. This way you can turn off Wizz notifications on iPhone. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.